Hello, my name's Kevin. You're watching Lambo Kevin.
Cut! Jeffrey! I didn't like this one. Give me another cup of orange juice.
Hello, you're watching Lambo Kevin. Only the best YouTuber on YouTube. No, damn it.
Jeffrey! Give me another cup of orange.
This is the last one. All right. Hey, my name is Kevin, Lambo Kevin, and you're watching. Damn it,
I messed up. Jeffrey? This is the last take. I'm done with this dumbass pillow. All right, let's get it. Come on.
Hi, welcome to my channel, Lambo Kev. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video and all my other videos.
God damn. I don't like this orange juice. It got pulp in it. Damn, Jeffrey. You don't get nothing right. Wake that ass up.
What? Listen, man, but like before I even turned on the camera, like shit, I was trying to find some good lighting. And next when I opened the blinds, I was like, hell yeah. Wake that ass up. I'm back to bad lighting. Hold on.
Woo, wake that ass up. Wake that ass up.
Feel me? We back with another video. Hold on, man. You know this song. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, you know, bright and early. Well, not bright and early. I mean, it's like what, about to be 11. We making some eggs here. You know, we got chef. Damn, bro, I hate when that light be tripping, bro. Like, it's like, damn, what am I doing? Anyways, man, I'm having a pretty chill day today, like I did yesterday. Like, I ain't do shit for the past 2 days except for like schoolwork and homework, all that crap. But yeah, man. Should be a chill, cool vlog today. I'm about to go and play some ball, but first I gotta eat. You know, I got up, did about like 50 push-ups. Of course, always gotta do some push-ups. Next one about like 30 dips. We gotta get right, man. Ain't no more skinny niggas out here, you feel me? Like, even though I'm kind of skinny, but hey, fuck it, you know, we gon' get right. Damn, bro. Where the bread at? Where the bread at? Dang, that thing all the way in the back. It's in the bike. It's in the bike. Hey, that bit look like it's slipping, bit like. I look so ugly. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, I gotta look ugly like this. Feel me? There you go. Got about like 2 buns left. Now we got 3 buns. Feel me? The eggs done, you feel me? But you know, you see that cheese on there? Dab a little ranch, a little hot sauce on there, you feel me? We always gonna have it. Listen, hot sauce is just that purebred, like, I don't put it in everything, but if the food ain't that good, I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it. But don't try me, my eggs are the best things in the world. My family always knows that I have the best eggs, you know? My mom taught me, but mom, I'm better than you. I'm sorry, I'm better than you. All right, so at this point, I'm probably the best cook you know. That's on YouTube. I don't care about Harry Flay, Bobby Flay, whatever his name is, nigga. You don't see me in the kitchen, all right? You don't see me in the kitchen. And that's on BD. So y'all telling me this don't look beautiful? Look at this. Let me bring this to light. Oh my God, so beautiful. Nice prepared dish, from our famous, you know, Lambo Kev, you know, Chef Lambo. You know, so nice. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yo. I'm pulling out my crib right now. Finna go to the court. I'm finna go ball. Well, let's see if I ball today, because last time, boy, I wasn't doing shit. Boy, I'm telling you. I'm not no basketball player. I'm going to tell you that right now. I ain't no basketball player. But we get on the field in cleats, but I'll rock the shit out of anybody. Put that on everything, man. I'll route you. I'll rock the best corner in the NFL right now. You feel me? And that's how I'm feeling. Period. And you asking, well, why you ain't make it to the league? You said what happened?
I got an interview for a job, man. I'm at Muscle Hill. I'm trying to get there, Papa. Why here?
Right here?
Yes, sir.
You can come in.
Thank you, boss, man. Thank you, boss.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, thank you, sir. My name T.
T?
Yes, sir.
Saying I show here?
Yeah, I said.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello? You know the beef store?
Before Brados? You little dumb ass boy. It's before Brady's, not before Brados.
Yeah, oh, God bless me. Yeah, I need this job, man.
Of course.
Yeah, I'll be here like almost 1 month and a half. Man, no job, man.
Yeah, I know.
From all the way New Jersey, man, come on out here, man. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Come on out here, man. It's hard to get job, man.
Yeah, it is hard.
All them jobs, they say they're slow and stuff. And I got a lot of things to do right now. Yeah, try to get with my chassis board.
Oh,
Yeah, get my license. Yeah, my son about 18 years.
Really?
Yeah, I hold my back chassis, but I hold money. I'll take like $7,000. But many friends, they say it's nothing, just $7,000. He said people hold like about 15, they put like $300, they get their license back. Yeah. You ain't got time to go there if you go drop me over here, because a lightweight.
No, I'm good, man. I'll drop you.
Alright.
Race over here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before Brady's or?
Yeah, right there. Yes, man.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Baba.
No problem.
God bless you, man.
Of course.
For sure. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you, sir.
No problem. That's some good footage right there. Y'all just seen that, man? See, now, usually, I'm like, hell nah, you ain't getting my car. But it's just like, bro, let me just do some nice shit real quick, man. Feel me? Do this real quick Yui right here. Quick Yui, bust the Yui. That's a nice little, hey, I like that. See, you just, recording 24/7. You see that? Oh, like me, I would be upset if I ain't catch that on camera. Real spell overload, so that is huge. That's on that truck. But yeah, man, look at that. I do nice things. Usually, I don't trust people though. Like I was like, yeah. But something was. Nigga, shut your scary ass up, nigga. You know you was scared when that nigga got in the car. He was gonna beat your ass, nigga. And I really hope he get the job too. But some was like telling me like, oh man, nah, you know what, bro? Help this guy out, man. Like, yo, it look like you really trying to get to this job. So, hey, as he was explaining, you feel me? This nigga was, I think that's Rotany down there. But yeah, as he was explaining, bro, that nigga from a different state. You feel me? And he's Haitian too, so hey, no shit, no whole shit. We always got each other back, you feel me? Z's up. Hold on. I got my flag right here. Z's up. You feel me? Yeah, type shit. I got my flag back there, you feel me? Always repping so shit, no whole shit, man. But word. Hey, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the court, bro, because I need to have some music sometimes. Damn, bro, like, these shoes is mad small, dog. But it's because last time my damn toenails wasn't clipped. And next know that every time these things were super tight. Next know that thing had my big toes, nails kept on hitting that, like the front part and shit. That shit kept on hurting the whole time. That shit gave me like a big ass black thing on my damn nail. Release y'all windows open. Drowsy T on. Drowsy T. I think that's, yeah, that boy in there. But you know, we doing our thing here though, man. About to go ball. The fuck am I whispering though? I don't know. It's cause my mom said I need to be more lower. So, but you know, I'll try to get some foot of me balling type shit. Probably not. But you did. Oh shit.
This one's for y'all, man. Damn, I don't like y'all. Damn. Come on, nigga, shoot. No, bro. Come on. There go Waldo. We almost. That was on point. That was on point. I blame the rim on that one. There we go. Please. I'm saying, nigga. Come on, nigga. Hey, nigga, right here, nigga.
Let's get it, tween, behind the back, knock down. Oh,
You feel me? Another game. You feel me? Just got done completing about like at least 6 games not back to back. There was about like 2 of them back to back. But you know, it's always good to be active. I'm about to go home and hit something like 20 push-ups or something. Not even 20, I'm gonna hit more. Yeah, man, earlier, you feel me, I'm glad that I did a good deed by giving that guy a ride, you feel me? That was a good gesture. But you feel me? For some reason, I usually, if I see somebody on the street, I don't let them in the car because you know how this world is like nowadays. You feel me? Like some shit happened, next to them, like, bro, what if that nigga tried to fucking rob me or some shit? You feel me? But you know, something was telling me like, yo, give him a ride. So I did that. I got him to his interview. Get Reggie right there. I got him to his little interview. But about to go home, man. About to go chill. If I got something else to go do today, then I'll add that, you know, to the vlog. You dig? It's a nice little vlog. Come on, man, hurry up, bro. Nigga ain't trying to sit here all day. But I see that car every single time, bro. Who the fuck is that? Talking about, like, you know, a car that you see almost every single time? I gotta go put airs in my tire. Like, well, my tires. I put air in all my tires. But I definitely gotta go do that shit, though, bro. Having a car is a big responsibility, y'all. Y'all gotta gas. And niggas know that. If your tires stay hanging, stuff like that. If there's any type of oil change, all that crap, bro. There's so much stuff. But it's good to have a car, though. You feel me? You can go out when you want to, all that stuff. Yeah. But, this nigga gay. Bro, I wish I got that shit on camera, bro. I wish I got that shit. Bro, damn. I just got done balling in the red do-rag, bro. That's gonna be a good little...
let's go, bro. I got papers.
So this nigga dragged me out of my house so I can go help him study. school.
Bitch, I just ain't want to be there by myself. I know me. If I'm there by myself, bro, I'm gonna be watching the movie the whole time. I'm just gonna say I'll do this shit later. That procrastination, bro, that shit is real.
I gotta keep him focused type shit. So I'm gonna keep him focused. Now let me show you the clip. Copyright!
Hey, while you here, let's do a review on Close Friends.
Oh, on your phone or on my phone?
Does it matter?
I mean, alright.
You see what you got in the cuff? I want you to cuff. What's your number?
These white hoes be getting lit. I don't even know them.
Where at?
Oh, they ugly as fuck.
Hey, get Crackers?
What that is?
I don't know. Ain't it usually your home? Your homeboy? Something like that.
Who homework?
Yours.
Wrong dead? He ain't dead.
Nah, he ain't dead.
But that car crash
that
in
happened
64. That shit,
I don't know.
that shit look crazy. Huh? Yeah, I know I do. I'm recording. Mom, you should guess what happened today. Oh my God. So, there was a guy, right? And I'm like about to leave the community. Like, if there's a guy on the sign, like, he's like looking for a ride. There's something that's like, I never give nobody no ride. See, I'm like, I go, I don't care. But someone was like, give him a ride. And next thing then, but man, this vlog is going way too long. I think I'm gonna end it here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Even if you guys even get this far. Share the video. Feel me? Low key. You think I should work at a restaurant, Mom?
I don't know.